Welcome to the first brand promise training session today. And it will be a very interesting session. And with the pool of people sitting around, it will be more fun, I think so. All intelligent people. And before we commence this session, I would like to brief you about this session and reiterate few of the guidelines. Starting with the guidelines, it's a house rules. I request all of you to keep your mobile phone on the silent mode. If there is urgent call, please step out and receive the call. And respect each other's ideas. Yeah? And I request everybody to participate. More you participate, more you will be able to learn through each other's experience. And it will be a very, very interactive session. It will not be a one-way session where I will be acting as a school teacher and people listening now. It's all senior people and professionals sitting here. Yeah? So try to participate as much as you can. Yeah? And introduction to the few of the tools which will keep us in this session. We have got this board game. Yeah? This will tell us why do we require a brand promise or how to keep up the brand promise. And we have got a television which will take us through various video scenarios in the session. Yeah? And the objectives of this session are what is our brand promise, we get to know from that. Why do we need a brand promise? And how does it affect our guest experience? And how to keep up the brand experience, yeah? Brand promise experience. So to start with the question, why this session is important for all of us. Why this session is important? Any answers?
To understand the culture and
What is the brand promise?
To understand the
What is the brand promise and how can we get this kind?
Great. Sure. Same as what?
what are the promises they will promise to the guest?
Okay, great. We'll have one exercise, small exercise to start to understand why we all of us require this session. Probably few of the people have already experienced that. Yeah. So can I request everybody to stand? Close your eyes. Yeah. Close your eyes. Take a round. Take a round. Close your eyes and take a round. Yeah. Stop. Wherever you are. Now, I want all of you to point out towards the east. Okay? Close your eyes. Okay? So tell me which side is the east. Okay? Close. Keeping your eyes closed. Which side is the east? Point out. Point out with your hand. Chef. The point done? Okay, great. Now open your eyes. Okay? Now see each other, yeah? Which side is the east?
My east is this way.
Your east is that side. Yeah, Vishnu east is this side. Chef east is this side. Okay? That's the reason we require this training session for all of us. So that all of us will be on same platform. Yeah? Thank you so much. Now, before we commence the session, we'll have a series of questions. And to start with, Hilton Garden Inn has got a brand promise. So I will reiterate the brand promise word to word, which says, at Hilton Garden Inn, we promise to do whatever it ensures that you are satisfied or you don't pay. You can count on us, guaranteed. Yeah? The question is, which word out of this brand promise stand out for you? Guaranteed? Right.
It's that assurance that
We'll take care of it.
what you are saying will be.
Very right. Correct. Beg your pardon, sir? Guaranteed. Why? How does that guaranteed, you feel is a catchy word out of this entire statement? It gives confidence. Okay. Let me explain you with the example. I have got two mobile phones, yeah? Samsung, Nokia. Samsung features X, Y, Z. Nokia features X, Y, Z. Samsung costs 14,000 rupees. Nokia costs 15,500. Okay. Nokia says 2 years guarantee. Samsung says no guarantee. Though in the market, Samsung is a good brand nowadays. So which one will you prefer to buy here? Nokia. Question is, why will you buy Nokia first? Because of the guarantee. Now, how does that guarantee helping you in making decisions of buying Nokia mobile phone?
I'll be sure that I can replace my phone or get it repaired.
They will take care of us. The
They will-
company will take care of us.
Company will take care.
assurance from the
They will take care. Surety. Yeah? Brand name. Okay, sir. Guarantee. The question is, how does the guarantee helping you out in buying the product?
Winning the trust.
Winning the trust. Very good. So I've already get the answer actually. Yeah? Winning the trust, company will take care. And how as a manufacturer, that guarantee is helping me out. As a manufacturer.
Product. Quality of the product.
Quality of the product, I am confident of my product. Yeah? I have done the right thing to the product. On that behalf, I am assuring the guarantee. So, for the guest, it's a loyalty, we call it. And for all of us, it's a integrity. Doing the right thing always. Now, we'll take a help of this flip book and we'll read out, yeah, starting with Sachin. Yeah? Please. Starting with the first line.
Welcome Hilton Garden is launching 100% satisfaction guarantee. It's called the Hilton Garden Promise. First we will answer a few questions and then we will divide into teams and play a game. To start, let's read out a promise. At Hilton Garden we promise to do whatever it takes to ensure you're satisfied or you don't pay. You can count on us. Guarantee. Okay, Adrian leads the Hilton Garden brand. Let's watch a message from him. Play the introduction clip.
So we have got Mr. Edwin Kuren who has sent us a message. That message will tell us what is our brand promise, why do we need a brand promise, and how does that brand promise help our brand affect the guest. Okay. So watch it carefully. We have a couple of questions coming on the basis of that video.
I'm Adrian Curtis, global head of the Hilton Garden brand. At Hilton Garden, we promise to do whatever it takes to ensure you're satisfied, or you don't pay. You can count on us, guaranteed. So why do we do a brand promise? It's extremely important that we tie everything together. The brand promise drives the loyalty. We're counting on you.
So Sachin, can you read out the question for all of us?
What did Adrian say that was important to you?
What was in that entire video was important to you?
Empowerment.
Empowerment, okay.
Profitability.
Profitability.
Training of
Okay. Training what?
team members.
Training, yeah. Okay. Yes,
Trust, brand value.
Okay.
Following the hard work.
Hard. Alright. Yes. Now, how will this brand promise help us? Small clip at the beginning, how will that brand promise help us? What will happen with the brand promise?
Increase loyalty. Loyalty increase profitability.
Loyalty, profit. Yeah. What will happen with the loyalty? How will profit increase with the loyalty?
Satisfaction.
Again, fine, satisfaction. What is the result of satisfaction? Customer?
Customer return to the property.
Customer return to the property. So it's a repeat business, yeah? And it's very difficult to fill the hotel with the new guests. Say, am I right? And it's easy to get your regular clients to the hotel because they know the product. They are aware that, yeah, service is awesome over there. So we can with the blind eyes, we can trust them and we can go to that property and we'll be taken care of. Am I right? So this is how. What will happen if profit will increase?
I can get my stuff.
You can get?
But I can get my stuff.
Months of meat?
Shepherd is basically I'm waiting for.
No, you have got this Shepherd dishes already. That's one of the ones. You can at least reinvest the money. Yeah, you can reinvest the money. What will be the second outcome of it?
Very satisfaction.
Cat satisfaction is there. You have got the profit now.
Employee satisfaction.
Employee satisfaction.
Employee satisfaction, great. And how?
Salary, bonus.
Salary, bonus, increment.
Yeah?
Like money.
Okay? So it's a win-win situation for win-win situation for the company, for the partners, for the team members. Yeah? That's the reason we require a brand. It's very important. Yeah? So sales can understand how tough it is to get a new clients. Yeah? Probably service might not. Yeah? Okay, great. So we need the brand promise to create a win-win situation for all of us and be sure that our team members live by that. And how will they live by that? Through the empowerment. Okay? And then we have got a couple of small exercises, small trainings for them, wherein those tools in form of training will help to live up to the satisfaction promise. Let's move on.
Our guests can count on us when they book their stay. More importantly, they can count on each one of us to keep the promise if needed. Yes, we are giving you the power to make this decision. If you are a room attendant, you can keep the promise. If you are a food and beverage server, you can keep the promise. If you are a maintenance engineer, you can keep the promise.
What is the question?
Why is it important that every single team member can do this?
I want to be focused.
Okay, you answer. Yeah? If I give you an empowerment to satisfy the guest, whatever it is, whatever way it is, yeah, how will it help you? Okay. I am a general manager of hotel, yeah, and he is GSA at F&B service. I say, you do whatever it is, okay, but make sure your guest is satisfied and you are empowered to take decisions. What will help? What will happen with that?
Maybe not have to run over to the pictures.
Very good. Yeah, and take a situation of India, Pakistan over here. This is Pakistan and this is India. Okay. Now, Pakistan is all over Kargil. Okay. They are full with arms and ammunition, and every single second they are charging on India to acquire the entire Kashmir. Okay. Fortunately, India got to know with some of the radar which capture their movement at the LOC, and then information goes to the Defense Ministry. From there it goes to Home Ministry. From there it goes to President, who is above all, who is the supreme power, and then from there it is again coming back to the various brigades and divisions, and then finally goes to the soldiers. Yeah. Then at the end, what soldiers get is you have to go and fight the war. Yeah, you have to conquer the enemy, but then you have to win it with the police soldiers. Yeah, will you be able to win that? And Pakistan is full with LMG, MMG, and tank and other things. Will you be able to? Yeah, so this empowerment is proposed for you. Yeah, with the help of which we won't be better. With the help of which we all of us will be. Yes. Yeah, that's the reason empowerment for all of us is very, very important. And it's very important for senior leadership to understand also. Yeah? It's very important, yeah? Empower them to take decisions, encourage them to take decisions, so that down the line your test is not effective. Yeah? And later on, what formal procedures here, we have got everything over here, we'll follow on. Right? Can you move further? Any questions so far? Roshan? Chef, any questions so far? Sir?
Now let's play the game.
Okay. Now we have got a game. This game is called By the Promise. Yeah? We have got salt, okay, which gives us various statistical figures based on which we make the decisions, okay, which are completely based on guest feedback. Yeah. So in the past we did couple of studies, and based on which we have launched the brand promise. Yeah. So this will tell us why this promise is required. So this has got various cards: buy card, customer impact, Hilton Garden, and guarantees. Various studies and various cards we'll get to know through games. Yeah, we'll divide into two teams. So 5 at one side and 4 at one side. Fine. Yeah. This is team welcoming and this is team dependable. Yeah. And here I have a scoreboard. Now these all have got the set of questions on it. Now we'll roll the dice and move this thing. Suppose it's 1, so 1, 2, 1 means it's a yellow card, right? So the opposite team will pick up this card and ask the question which is written on the card. And there is answer also, and there is points also, how many points to be avoided in case of right answer. Yeah? Got the game? And this is the wild card, which is very lucrative and at the same time it's very dangerous also. With this, you don't have to do anything, but then either you can directly lose points or you can directly win points. Yeah? No exercise you have to do. Okay? Now, let me form two teams first on the board. Welcoming and dependable. Right? So this is welcoming and this is dependable. So who's starting first? Which team is starting first? Or you want toss? Toss? Okay. Roll the dice. Whosoever will get the bigger number will start the game. And wait, important. This is the time where you have to answer the question within 1 minute. 2. Okay, so you guys have to start. Please. Do the order. Start again. Roll the dice again. Yeah. Roll the dice. 6. Great. नहीं ये लूडो नहीं है कि दोबारा 6 में but then 6 move your dice. Huh? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yeah, pick up that card. Behind is the answer. Huh? Make sure they don't get to know the answer. Take one card only. Which answer? Hide it with that. Yeah, great.
The German maybe a guest normally score us an 8 out of 10. This time she gave us 10 out of 10. Because of this difference in her pay, is she more likely to recommend our hotel? Yes or no? Yes.
Huh? What is the answer? Yes? The big round of God by a How many points would I get? Straight over there?
35.
2. You get 2 points. Good start. Team dependable. Now it's your turn.